About LibLingo, our mission. What is LibLingo's mission? Our mission is to make language learning simple but effective, and most of all, fun. LibLingo will be your guide to language learning. LibLingo will be your guide, taking it one day at a time to help you make huge strides with your language learning through use of our videos and our tips. We improve your learning experience. LibLingo's language teaching expertise will help you achieve all your goals. Learn naturally with LibLingo. We will provide you with invaluable LibLingo tips on how to learn English and other languages in the most natural and efficient way. Learn through intuition and practice. You will be guided to learn mainly through intuition and practice, which is by far the most productive method. Nature is best. Nature is always best, and through nature we learnt our mother tongue. LibLingo will help you learn your second, third, fourth, etc. language in the same way and at zero cost to you. Start speaking straight away. If your desire is to start speaking the language in as short a time as possible, then you are in the right place. Broaden your mind. Speaking languages other than our own can broaden our understanding of different cultures. Learn English with LibLingo videos. We will help you to improve your speaking ability in English with LibLingo videos, categorized according to topic and level. Find our videos on our website or on our YouTube channel. Learn languages with LibLingo tips. LibLingo tips will show you how to learn English and other European languages, Italian, Spanish, French, and German for free. Practice makes perfect. Learning to trust our intuition is an art form, and like all other art forms, it takes practice to perfect. As Einstein says, the only real valuable thing is intuition. Find and follow LibLingo on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, and on our website www.liblingo.com.